Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a burrito for you, a little pineapple burrito. Pineapple and pork go really well together, so I figured I'd do a pineapple pork burrito. And I cooked the Boston butt that I had here in a pineapple sauce in the crock pot that I had. If I had a chance of being able to smoke it, I would have smoked it, but with this one I just used the crock pot. So I started off with my base season that I was going to use was just my Uncle Steve shake that I had, and it's the thick meat one. And I just put a good coating all over it and just let it sit and let those flavors start working into the meat. And I wanted to get a little color and a little flavor on it, so I put it on the stove for a little bit in my cast iron pan just to, like I said, get a little color on each side and set some flavor into the butt so I could have more running throughout my burrito. And for the sauce, like I said, I was doing pineapple, so I did a little Sunkist pineapple drink. Also threw in some more pineapple juice that I had, and I'll have all the ingredients down below. It's kind of just like a Hawaiian barbecue sauce, I guess you could maybe say, or tropical barbecue sauce kind of flavor. And there's some of the color that I was looking to get on the butt. And it didn't take too long just to roll it on each side for a little bit and just let it sear and let that flavor get into it. And once I had it there, like I said, I mixed up my sauce, put it in the crock pot, and then put the meat in, and I had it on high. And every so often I just baste it with the sauce that I had in there. And also I chopped me up some onions. I'm a big fan of onions anyway, and the flavor they bring to dishes. So I chopped them up and shredded them and put them over the butt just to cook and just to, like I said, add more flavor into the meat. And it took about, I think, 6 hours in total for this butt to get where I needed to and where I could get it and shred it. And once I had it cooked and softened and how I wanted to, like I said, I took it out and shredded up, and then I returned it back to the sauce so it could just continue to cook and have those flavors running throughout. And once I had it back in the crock pot to sit, like you'll see here coming up, once I had it there, then I started on my other fillings that I was going to put into the burrito. And what else I put? I put some, you'll see here, rice, black beans, and then I had some white queso cheese, and that's what was my other fillers that went in. And to have that flavor of the meat running throughout, I also used the Uncle Steve shake, and I put it in with my black beans and also in with the rice. So like I said, I can have those flavors running throughout. And with it, it's kind of a little heavier on the pepper side, which I really do enjoy. And once I had all my fillings done, I just started filling up my burrito, did a little base layer of rice. Then I put the meat on. Then the black beans come, white cheese, queso, and then you roll. Then I rolled it up, and I almost had it a little too full. It's a little hard to roll. I needed some bigger burritos, but I got it rolled up pretty good. And then to add some more flavor and color and texture to my burrito, I put it in my cast iron skillet and just hit it on each side so I could get some color right there and flavor as well. And when I had it there, I just threw on some sauces that I had. It was Melinda's green sauce. It's like a tomatilla sauce. It's got tomatillas, jalapenos, cilantro, and all. Then the queso cheese in the middle. And then I threw some Texas Pete on it just to have some more different flavors. But that's a pineapple pork burrito for y'all. It's a good one. Takes a little while to get the pork and stuff done, but it's a good one. But anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one.